I think it's really exciting that you're able to buy these NFTs without large transaction fees or large gas prices. We're going to talk about how to buy NFTs on Solana, which is a blockchain that allows you to transact very quickly. Solana is exciting. I've been kind of dollar cost averaging into Solana, and I think it's really exciting that you're able to buy these NFTs without large transaction fees or large gas prices, right? Because earlier I actually made a video about how I was just trying to move some of my NFTs over from OpenSea or a MetaMask over to a hardware wallet, and it was costing me $60 per NFT, right? $60 to $70, which if I'm trying to move 10, I'm going to pay $700 for that. It's crazy. There are two websites that I'm looking at. So one is solanart.com or solanaart.com. And then also I want to show you this one, solc.io. So this one's similar to OpenSea where you can go out and buy stuff, and very similar mechanism to OpenSea where you kind of connect your wallet. I'm going to go back to solanaart.com because they have these kind of trending collections. And the very first thing, obviously, when it comes to NFTs is you're ideally looking to invest what you can afford to lose. And none of this is financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. That way you don't have to worry about making any rash decisions if the market goes down. Because if you put half your net worth into this stuff, what happens if the market tanks and you really need that money and you're not liquid? You have to take these kind of human psychological behaviors into account because humans will always be the same. The more you can kind of put these barriers in place where you're not going to make stupid decisions, the better. For me, I'm going to look for an NFT that I think aligns with me and my background a little bit. They have these Solana. There you go, Solana. So fantasy, right? I used to play a lot of games. I used to play a lot of MMORPGs and RPGs in general. So these look like warriors over here, like pixelated warriors. I'll just pick a warrior that I like. This one kind of looks like a ninja. I mean, I'm Asian, so maybe I'm gonna go with this ninja over here, right? 2.81 Solana. Or if I just want to be cheap, what can I buy at the floor right here? So you can see these are very similar looking to these other kind of platforms out there, but this is the volume that's been traded. You have 168 owners or so. I don't know. Let's go with this Viking over here. He looks kind of cool. So let's buy this Viking over here. Okay, so very similar to the other platforms out there. And now all I have to do is connect my wallet to buy. And so I use Phantom, and Phantom is very similar to like a MetaMask. You can select auto connect if you want, but for the sake of simplicity here, I'm just gonna click that one. And now I can buy this Viking. There's actually even a description of him. That's cool. So I'm going to buy, click on buy, and let's see what ends up happening over here. So I need to approve the transaction, and let's go ahead and hit approve. And now it's happening. And hopefully we can see the magic of Solana here, and we can see the speed of the transaction. And I am now the owner of Sol Warrior, and I can go ahead and click on explore over here. And you can see that I actually have it, right? This is written onto the blockchain now. That is it. So now I have this. And if I go to my wallet, maybe if we can refresh it over here, look, I now have my warrior sitting here. That's basically it. It's very simple. First, you have to obviously buy some Solana. You can use Coinbase or other exchanges that you like using, and then just transfer it over to your Phantom wallet. So you got to get the Solana first, and then get a Phantom wallet or any other wallet. I'm just using Phantom for the sake of this example. And then go to solanaart.com, or you can go to solc.io, have at it and enjoy. And then ideally what you're doing afterwards is you're trying to transfer this over into a hardware wallet if possible, just to make sure that your NFTs are secure. But fairly simple. Once you get going, have at it. Let me know what you want to end up buying in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell button, and we'll catch you later.